All right, so now we're going to pick up with sorry, what's going on here? Hypnosis. Um, so hypnosis is kind of this possible state of consciousness because there's a lot of controversy surrounding hypnosis, what it is, what does it mean. People are afraid of it, people don't understand it. So our text definition of hypnosis is a social interaction in which one person, the hypnotist, suggests to another, the subject, that certain perceptions, feelings, thoughts, or behaviors will spontaneously occur. Now, an alternate definition is hypnosis is a cooperative social action in which one person is in a state of being likely to respond to suggestions from another person. So this state is called heightened suggestibility as well as a trance. Now, the controversy is, does this social interaction really require an altered state of consciousness? Okay. So there's different types of hypnotic suggestions. Okay. The subject may be led into changes in perceptions. The headache is fading away. Behavior, your right arm right rise by itself. Emotions, you are feeling more relaxed and confident. Attitudes, I get nutrition from food and I get comfort from friends. Memory, you got lost in a mall as a child. So there's lots of different things that hypnotism can be used for. Pain, behavior modification, emotional kind of regulation, attitudes adjustments, and then like we talked about at the beginning of the year with memories, also kind of suggestions of possible memories. So the hypnotic induction is the inducing of a hypnotic state and the process by which a hypnotist leads someone into the state of heightened suggestibility. So a swinging watch and a recitation of words you are getting sleepy are not necessary for induction into hypnosis. And in fact, most hypnotists don't even use those. That's all kind of stage movie kind of stuff. So the highly hypnotizable 20%, okay, there's, of the population, about 20% of the population is really hypnotizable, meaning that they are highly suggestible, that they are going to fall into it. And then there are other people that are highly, highly resistant, and there's just no way. And then there's kind of the middle ground. And we'll do some activities in class about this. So how do some people get so hypnotized that they can have no reaction to ammonia under their noses? Well, these people seem to be more easily absorbed into imaginative activities. They are able to focus and lose themselves in fantasy, and the hypnotic induction method might happen to work just right. Now, not everybody is can be hypnotized. That's key number one. You have to want to be hypnotized. You have to be willing to be hypnotized. And you're not going to do anything when you're under a hypnosis that you don't want to do. Okay, so that's another kind of important aspect. So, what are some theories explaining hypnosis? Well, the divided consciousness theory says that hypnosis is a special state of dissociated or divided consciousness of our dual track mind. The social influence theory says that hypnotic subjects may simply be imaginative people who go along with the subject role they have agreed to play. So, kind of the big question, attention is diverted from an aversive odor. How? Well, the divided consciousness theory says that hypnosis has caused this split in awareness. So, it kind of goes back to that idea of selective attention. When you're in this divided consciousness theory, you're not paying attention to it. Okay? The social influence theory is that the subject is so caught up in the hypnotized role that she ignores the odor. So this goes more into the social psychology of it, and they're in the role. They are a hypnotized person. So their brain gets so engrossed in that role that they don't smell it because their brain says, I'm a hypnotized, I'm not going to smell it. Okay, so we're going to do some activities and we're going to talk about some stuff with hypnosis in class that will make a lot of this stuff go a little bit clearer. But again, the big things to make sure you understand with hypnosis is what are the two theories, the divided consciousness and the social influence theory, and then also kind of understanding that hypnosis isn't just one thing. It's a multiple kind of thing, and it's debatable. We don't know for sure if it's actually an altered state of consciousness. Now, there are benefits of hypnosis for some people. Blocking awareness for pain, even enough for surgery without anesthesia. And we'll see this. Reducing obesity, anxiety, and hypertension. And improving concentration and performance. Okay, so there are actually, hypnotists that specialize in obesity, reduction, weight loss under hypnosis. Okay, and also a lot of athletes use hypnosis for performance improvement. Now, what can hypnosis not do? It can't work when people refuse to cooperate. It can't bestow superhuman abilities or strength, and it can't accurately boost recall of forgotten events. If anything, it's more likely to implant false recall. All right, so next time we're going to pick up talking about drugs.